Assalamualaikum. I'm Mohammad Khairol bin Abdullah with matrix number 73573 from PKE2, and this is my solution for tutorial 8 Engineering Mathematics 3. For question 1, the question asks find grade f for the given function below. The given function was f in bracket x, y, and z equals to 5xy plus 3yz minus 4zx. So this is my step here. Uh, so from the equation function given, we will find the grade. So we will differentiate d over dx for every term here for I, j, and k. So d over dx for the first one, second one d over dy, and d over dz. The partial differentiation we're doing here. Hence, after the differentiation, I'll find my solution is 5y minus 4z I plus 5x plus 3yj plus in bracket 3y minus 4x k. For question 2, find the divergence for the following vectors at given point P. So question 2.1, here the vector given v equals to 5xyzi plus in bracket 3x squared minus 5yzj minus 7 minus x over 2yzk. So here's my solution. So find the divergence given at given point P, where P is 2, -1, and 3. So the first step I made here to find the divergence is uh, division time vector v. So we will do the separate the partial derivative d over dx. So for 5xyz plus d over dy for in bracket 3x squared minus 5yz, d over dz for 7 minus x over 2yz. Hence, after the differentiation, I get this equation, this new equation, new vector here, new equation 5yz minus 5z minus 7 minus x over 2yz square. So after that, after find this new equation, given point P, and we substitute. So based on the point P, x is equals to 2, y equals to -1, z equals to 3. We substitute into the equation and we will get this answer, negative 29.722. For question 2.2, the same question, find the divergence. Here is the vector given, v equals to sine 2xi plus cos 2yj minus 2zk, and the given point P here, where pi over 4 pi over 3 and 3. So the same step as the first question 2.1. After this step, this derivative, partial derivative, I will get this new equation here, 2 cos 2x minus 2 sine 2y minus 2. As we can see here, if we differentiate sine 2x, we will get cos 2x. Then we differentiate the 2x and we will get 2. For cos, differentiate cos, we will get negative sine. After that, differentiate 2y, we will get 2. So for 2z, we differentiate 2z and we get 2. So after we get this new equation, so it's given point P here. So we assume we will substitute the value x equals to pi over 4, y equals to 4 pi over 3, z equals to 3 into the equation, and we will get this answer, negative 0.292. Next, for question 3.1, find the directional derivative of the following function at point P. Point P is given here, indicate the direction. So for question 3.1, this is the function given, f in bracket xy equals to cx plus dy over x minus y, and given point P 3 and 4, given vector u here, 4i plus 3j. So to find the directional derivative, so for this question, this is my first step. Find the operational of f here, where we trying to find the operational for dot for f. Here's the step by using a quotient rule here, and we will get this new equation. So where we find the negative 4 and negative and 3. So 4 and 3 here from the point P. After that, here we will dot product with u here, vector u. Hence we substitute, oh I'm sorry, here 4 and 3 is from the vector u. After that, we substitute x and y with the point P value, which is 3 and 4. Hence 3 is x, 4 is for y. So we substitute into this equation and get the answer, negative 7 in bracket c plus d. Alright, for question 3, now 3.2, the given function f in bracket xyz, z minus x over z plus y, and the given point P 103 here, and vector u equals to negative 6i plus 3j minus 2k. So the same step here by doing the operator dot product with f here. Hence I will find this new equation here, 1 over z plus y I plus z minus x over z plus y square j plus y plus x over z plus y square k. After that, we will dot product with vector u, and we'll find this new equation again after doing this operation, negative 6 over z plus y plus 3 in bracket z minus x over z plus y square minus 2 in bracket y plus x over in bracket x plus y square. So since it's given a point P here, which 1, 0 and 3, so 1 here means the value is for x, 0 is for y, and 3 is for z. We substitute into the new equation and we will find this answer, and my answer is negative 14 over 9. Alright, for question 4, find the divergent and curl for vector v given here. Vector v, 2x square minus y square, 3y square plus x square, 4y minus z square, and given also the point 3 to 1. So the first step here is find the divergent here. This operator we'll multiply with the vector given, hence it will produce a scalar. After doing this derivative, I get the equation 4x plus 6y minus 2z, and substitute the given point where 3 is equals to x, y is equals to 2, and z equals to 1. Substitute into the equation and get the divergence is equals to 22. So the next one is find the curl. So here is a cross product of the operation. So we will get a vector. So for this, as we all know, for this symbol, if it is a dot product with a vector, it will get a scalar. So if it with a scalar, then it will get a vector. Hence here for the curl we will get a vector. So by doing this step, this step we will using a same step as how we find a determinant in matrix. Hence we will do the how to find the determinant. And so here for the first one, the second one for J, the last one for K. And after that we'll find the equation is equals to 4i minus 0j plus in bracket 2x minus 2yk. After that we substitute the value given for x, y, and z, where x equals to 3 and y equals to 2, and we will get the vector here, which is 4i plus 10k, and this is the curl which is 4010. So that's all from me and my solution for tutorial 8. Thank you.